5 through 8, we're giving each of the parent functions, or they gave us the parent functions, the name. We've got to write the equation and then give the domain and range for each. So let's do this. Okay, so 5, we got the linear. Linear looks like it's f of x equals x. And remember, whatever our x value is, our y value is the same thing. So -1, -1, -2, -2, -3, -3, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. It's this line right here. It's just a straight line. There we go. All right, what's the domain? What's the furthest left this graph is going? It's going left forever, so -infinity. And what's the furthest right it's going? +infinity. We can see the arrows on both sides. And then what about the range? The range is the same thing. It's going down forever, so -infinity. And the highest point going up forever, +infinity. And this is a linear function. All right, so on to the next one, quadratic. Here we go, quadratic. Our parent function, remember, equation is f of x equals x squared. And our basic points that we know is -3, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this graph is smaller than normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it only goes to 8. Okay, so let's go -2, 4 then. -1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 4. Those are our basic points, and then our graph looks something like this. Ugh. The U-shaped graph. There we go. What's the domain? We can see that it's going left forever with the arrows. It's going to get there, so -infinity. And where's it going to the right? +infinity. Never stops because of the arrows. What about the range though? The lowest point? The lowest point on this graph is right here at 0. So the range is going to be 0, comma. What's the highest point? You can see the arrows going up forever, so it's going to be infinity. And that's it for quadratic. On to square root now. Square root, the parent function is going to be f of x equals square root of x. And remember our points, we had 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, 2, and 9, 3. So like this. Alright, so what's my domain? The furthest left this graph goes is at 0. Use a bracket because we actually touch 0. And the furthest right it's going forever this way, so it's infinity. Alright, now for the range. The range, it starts at 0. We're talking about lowest point and highest point. 0. And it's going to go up forever. Slowly but surely it's going up forever. So that's going to be +infinity. And there you go. And finally we've got absolute value, what we've been working with a lot. So the basic parent function, f of x equals absolute value of x. We know our points are -2, 2, -1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. And it makes a V shape like this. Okay. And so what's my domain? You see it's going to the left forever, so -infinity. You can see it's going to the right forever, so it's +infinity. Okay, and then my range, the lowest point is right here at a y value of 0. So I'm just going to put 0. And what's the highest it's going? You see it's going this way up forever, so +infinity is the highest it's going. And that's my range, and that is it for absolute value.